Hello everyone, so I have just created this in just 2 minutes. So if you want to know how to create this this type of art in Midjourney, so you can also create like this or this, and you can create more art like this. So to create art like this, you need to go to the discord.com here, and you can also download for Windows and also open your browser here. So you just have to create an account here. So just give your email and password to create an account here. After creating your account and downloading the Discord app here, your Discord will look like this here. So now you need to join the Midjourney server to use this. So to join the Midjourney server, just search for Midjourney AI Discord here. Then you have to accept the invite to join the Midjourney Discord server. And this is far by the easiest way to join the Midjourney here. So after joining the Midjourney here, you have to go to one of these newbie channels and type imagine here. This will show you imagine prompt here. This is where you generate your art for as your prompt here. Okay, so I want to see a fantasy dark castle in a deep forest and trending on ArtStation, so it will give you a fine touch here. And also in 8K resolution. And for the aspect ratio, you have to put the command of --AR. And for a landscape view, I'll put the 3:2 ratio here. So you can use any other aspect ratio as you wish to create any other ratio. So I've just put a command here, and you have to accept the task to use the Midjourney app here. So as you can see, Fantasy Dark Castle and Deep Forest is already waiting to start. So it will give you the image here. You just have to wait for some seconds here. And now as you can see, our image is already starting here, and so as you can see, it's already done here. So you can choose any other image here. So or I'm gonna upscale one. So U1 mean upscale image, and other V1, V2 mean you can create variation of this image here. So I'm gonna upscale the number one image here. As you can see, upscale image. So I have to wait for it to upscale the image here. Also, you can cancel the job here. So finally, our image has been upscaled. Now you can click on the image to download this image on your PC or laptop here. You can use this image anywhere you can. And there you have it. You can generate 25 of this for free. After that, it costs $10 a month to get 100 of this. So that's it guys. This is how you create AI art generator or use Midjourney to create AI art in just 2 minutes. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.